Amidst wide-ranging calls for a caste census from the opposition, RSS has come out to back the caste census. Sunil Ambedkar, chief spokesperson of RSS, said that it is needed to address the welfare needs of people. He, however, added that government should get it done for data purpose and it should not be used for electoral purpose. BJP's ideological mentor cleared its stance on the first day of a 3-day coordination meeting in Kerala and emphasized that caution needs to be exercised in dealing with such sensitive issue.
As our society, Hindu society, we have the sensitive issue of our caste and caste relations. That is a very sensitive issue. So, and of course, it is an important issue of our national unity and integrity. So, it should be dealt very seriously, not just on the basis of electioning or election practices or politics. So, I think as RSS think, yes, definitely for all welfare activities, particularly addressing to the particular community or caste which is lagging behind, and so which is the special attention is needed to some communities and caste. So for that, if sometime government needs the numbers, it is a very well practiced. So government needs the numbers, it takes, earlier also it has taken, so it can take it, no problem. But it should be only to address the welfare of those communities and caste. It should not be used as a political tool for electioneering. And so we put the caution line for everyone.
The RSS might have been cautious in its approach, clearly detailing conditions for its backing for nationwide census, but Congress sees clear opposition to the exercise in their statement. Congress MP Jairam Ramesh has in the latest fired a 4-question attack on RSS. Calling out RSS for preachy talks, Jairam asked the following questions. Does RSS have the right to halt caste census? Who's RSS to give permission for caste census? What does RSS mean by misuse of census for election campaigning? Why has the RSS maintained silence on the constitutional amendment on reservation? With Rahul Gandhi being the most vocal proponent of caste census in recent times, the party says that while RSS, BJP have proven that they are against giving rights to SC, ST, OBCs, their party will guarantee it is done.
देखिए, जब बिहार में चुनाव चल रहा था, तो इसी कास्ट सेंसस के खिलाफ, आरक्षण के खिलाफ, इसी आरएसएस के चीफ, यही वाले चीफ ने झारखंड में बोला था कि आरक्षण को समाप्त करने का समय आ गया है। अब जिस तरीके से पार्लियामेंट के रिजल्ट आए, तो वहां तो उलट गई है। तो ये बीजेपी की तरफ से फीलर दिए जा रहे हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी पक्षधर है कास्ट सेंसस की।
Rahul Gandhi had specifically said that caste censor would be passed in this house only. So they have taken a cue from what he said and what does he want. So RSS people, they work on the ground. They know the pulse of the people. So I think better sense would prevail on Prime Minister Modi. As per Schedule 9, they will have to now put in that wherever is the जिसकी जितनी आबादी उतना उसका अधिकार.
And Samajwadi Party chief has yet again reiterated caste census demand while attacking the BJP. Listen in.
जाति जनगणना सामाजिक न्याय का रास्ता है। जाति जनगणना सबका साथ सबका विकास का रास्ता है और जाति जनगणना से समाज जुड़ेगा, समाज बटेगा नहीं। और जो लोग बांटते रहे हैं, जो समाज को तोड़ते रहे हैं, वो लोग अगर कहें कि जाति जनगणना से समाज में दूरियां होंगी, ये तो वही कहावत हुई, उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे।